This bird couldn't fly, and that's why it went extinct. Meet the dodo bird. The dodo was recorded in 1598 by sailors who landed on Mauritius Island in the Indian Ocean. Its fossils and bone remains were found only on this island. For thousands of years, it lived in the dense forests of Mauritius. Until humans arrived, it had no natural predators. It was about 1 meter tall. It couldn't fly, had short wings, and a strong beak. It fed on fallen fruits, seeds, and roots. It contributed to seed dispersal in the ecosystem. It was a calm, curious bird that was not afraid of humans. It nested on the ground and laid a small number of eggs. Humans disrupted the balance through hunting and animals brought to the island. The dodo became completely extinct around 1681. Thanks for watching.